Hello class! Today we will continue to learn about maps by talking about latitude and longitude. Make sure you have your notes open and ready for part 3. First, let's talk about latitude lines. Latitude lines are lines that run east to west on a globe. Another name for latitude lines is parallels. Maybe this is something you remember from math. Parallel lines never intersect. They never meet. Latitude lines measure the distance north or south from the equator. The equator is at 0 degrees latitude. So if you look at this picture over here, you can see the equator in the middle at 0 degrees. And then above and below, you see latitude lines that are either north or south of the equator. One way I like to remember latitude is like the steps on a ladder. Latitude, ladder. They go up and down. So go ahead and look in your notes. Pause here and make sure you write down these things for latitude. Now, let's talk about longitude lines. Lines of longitude run from north and south on a globe. Another name for longitude lines is meridians. So latitude, parallels, longitude, meridians. The prime meridian is at 0 degrees longitude. It passes through the equator. Longitude lines touch at the north and south poles. So if you remember from our last slide, latitude lines are parallel, which means they never intersect. Longitude lines, however, do touch at the north and the south poles. So on the last slide, we looked at the equator, which runs through the middle of the globe, a little bit higher than that. Our prime meridian is at 0 degrees longitude, and it runs from north to south. So in your notes, pause here and make sure you get these notes for longitude. That's all for our lesson today.